we won't hurt you. You'll never hear from us again. Okay?
You promise?
Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Comanche, Clark, Barber, and Meade counties. When? Until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
What? What?